Here's how to create this zoom tilt transition in Premiere Pro. Go to the Project panel and right-click, select New Item, then Adjustment Layer. Accept the default settings and drag it above your clips on the timeline. Right-click the adjustment layer and select Speed Duration, change the value to 10 and click OK. Center it between your two clips. Go to Effects and search for Transform. Add it to your adjustment layer. Position your timeline slider to the center of the adjustment layer. Go to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for Scale, Skew, and Skew Axis. Change the value of Scale to 140, Skew to 10, and Skew Axis to a large amount. Now move the timeline slider to the end of the adjustment layer and reset the keyframes for all three effects. Then move to the start of the layer and reset it again. To add motion blur, uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the angle to 360.